Understanding eyelash extensions, enhancing your eyes. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very specific and interesting phrase, eyelash extensions. This term is often used in the context of beauty and fashion, but what does it really mean? Let's dive in and find out. Eyelash extensions are semi-permanent fibers that are attached to your natural eyelashes in order to make your lashes look longer, thicker, and fuller. Unlike mascara, which is a temporary makeup product applied to lashes, eyelash extensions are applied by a professional technician using a special adhesive. They can be made from various materials like silk, mink, or synthetic fibers. The application of eyelash extensions is a meticulous process that takes about 1 to 2 hours. During this process, the technician will individually glue extensions to each of your natural lashes. It's a very precise and careful process, ensuring that the extensions look natural and feel comfortable. Eyelash extensions are not permanent. They usually last for about 3 to 6 weeks, depending on your natural lash growth cycle and how well you take care of them. To maintain them, you need to avoid oil-based makeup removers and be gentle while cleansing your face. Regular touch-ups or refills are also recommended. People choose eyelash extensions for various reasons. Some want to enhance their natural beauty without using makeup, while others enjoy the convenience of having full lashes without needing to apply mascara every day. They're especially popular for special occasions like weddings or photo shoots. We hope this video has helped you understand what eyelash extensions are and why they're a popular choice in the world of beauty and cosmetics. Remember, learning a language isn't just about words and grammar. It's also about understanding the culture and context behind the phrases. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.